Wake up! You're getting comfortable! Comfortability kills dreams!
So you decided you want to make your life better, make a change, make something towards progress. You feel like you've been stuck, or you feel like you're not on the right path and there's something much more attainable for you to go into, which is a great sign. It's a sign of progress, it's a sign of acknowledgement, knowing that you as a person are ready to grow, but you just don't know what to do or where to go with that. So these are some simple ideas that I've followed that have just helped me become a better person in general, helped me earn more money in time, helped me have a better portfolio for myself, and as well just grow overall as a whole, and help me really become who I am today, and I'm still growing. This is something you're going to do your whole life, so don't think to yourself you're going to need to change within that second. You need to change by day, a 1% difference is all it's going to take. Not 50, not 100. You're going to work it down. You're going to take that time to truly build that character, your person, your entity, build that, level it up. And these are some of the areas that I've looked at into my life for myself. Such as, you've got the winner effect. A great book basically breaks down how you're going to work your life out simply by breaking down your goals into smaller, minute areas, so you get a compound interest on you as a person and growth. Your goals, instead of setting super high and out of reach, you're going to be setting goals which make sense and are attainable, and it will slowly work its way forward to help you bring yourself to an elevated position, which you might not have been able to do if you put your goals too far and you really hurt yourself in the long term. Another great area, I'll Teach You to Be Rich, a really good book which helps me as a person cover a lot of my insecurities and worries which are financial based. So having the ability to know and where to invest my money, what areas to be in, how to diversify to recover and hold myself in better positions of where the market might go, helps keep down the stress but keeps my character up, which is great, and it helps overall in life for everything. Or a simpler book, I think much simpler, I'll Teach You How to Give a Fuck. Right, if you're a person who's worried and self-concerned about areas in life that's going to stress you out, this is something which might help you. It may not, because sometimes people have to learn through the real world. This gave me a good idea, and I'd kind of already understood the concept a little bit myself, and doing this now enforces that. A big worry is putting myself out there, but we're doing it. We're conquering that fear, because we're not going to give. You know what I mean? And within that reason, it's a great book when you go into psychological areas, understanding character, understanding why people are, understanding how people react, understanding yourself and how you're going to paint your own picture. Do you know what I mean? Taking in your own thoughts and considering yourself in 20 years, 40, 50, 60. You don't want to be having regrets. You don't want to be thinking back, why did I not do that? Why did I not do this? So even in areas of that, books are going to be your best friend. But even then, there's a lot more in life you can be doing. Another big crucial part for my life, and that has helped loads of people that I know in my personal circle, is going to the gym. Gym's one of the best places if you're under stress, you're feeling down, and life has just got you up. Go to the gym, run, lift some weights, train, go to a boxing gym, Muay Thai, Jiu-Jitsu, go to a rock climbing gym, join a running club. These allow you to join better social circles, help you thrive in a way that you might not have experienced in your life yet, which is truly to unlock you as a person. Having the ability when you are in an area you can't think and going somewhere which is going to drop your stress levels, increase your dopamine and really give you that clarity is something that you can't avoid to not be doing in life. It is a crucial component which will help you no matter what. You're feeling skinny, go to the gym. You're feeling fat, go to the gym. You're feeling sad, go to the gym. You're feeling happy, you're going to want to go to the gym, and it's one of the best things you'll ever do in your life. I've put my hands to attest to that. And if you don't want to go to the gym, do something in the physical area. It's going to help you no matter what. Go for a walk the dog, walk yourself. Don't limit yourself to your physical areas. If you're physically holding yourself down, mentally it's not going to work. And sleep's a big factor in life, and that's something I'm struggling with and learning to accept. It's going to be one of your areas where you want to look around 8 hours a night if possible. If you can, your life might be busy. I know, I'm not going to hold you to that. But if you can and you've got the ability to, you must. You don't realise how much a lack of sleep can ponder and ruin on your own thoughts and mind as it builds up across the weeks and months. You could be holding yourself back, limiting yourself to ideas, to thoughts and beliefs, which only is happening because you got a lack of sleep. The brain needs it, you need it. And when you're going to work, you're feeling slobby, you're feeling down, you're tired. What are you going to do then? You ain't got an excuse. You know it's your fault. You were asleep. You should have been asleep. You should have had 8 hours. But, hey, that's something for another time, because I'm still working on that, so I can't attack people for this. But it's something everyone should be making sure is a fucking great guaranteed goal for yourself. 8 hours of sleep, it's going to benefit. There is no, you can't tell me you need less sleep. More sleep helps heal the body, helps heal the brain, helps you recover, helps you understand ideas, keeps clarity. You think while you're sleeping, you're dreaming while you're sleeping. These are going to be ideas that might be worked upon in your own thoughts while you're asleep that could help you benefit tenfold. So that's a great bit of advice. Diet is going to be a big crucial one. If you're eating McDonald's every single day, what do you expect? There's going to be nothing that comes from it. You're going to be clouded with judgment. You're going to feel like shit. You're going to move slow. You're not going to have the energy to move or do anything. So you're going to lack in sleep. You're going to lack in the gym. You're going to lack in reading, which are all going to be great impacts for your life. But by not doing them, you're going to throw away a big opportunity to help improve your life in the upward direction. So with a simple one, make sure you're eating your vegetables. Yeah, we don't want to eat them. I don't want to eat them, but I eat them because I know they're going to help. They're full of nutrition and vitamins that your body's going to require to run. Then you're going to be wanting eating meats or fish. You might be vegan, so you're going to have to look into alternative areas. So you're going to have different areas of that. But for me, I'm omnivorous. I'm loving the meat. Pause. But with that in mind, when you're coming to these stages, you don't want to just be eating chicken nuggets and stuff from your oven and your fridge. You want to be sitting down, having some mincemeat or ground beef, whatever you want to call it. You want to be having some lean chicken. You want to be having some fatty fishes, salmons, tunas, bass. You want to be consuming serious areas of detail which are going to help improve your life and not hold yourself back. It's such small changes. And back to the compounding effect. Every day, write down your goals. Write down something, anything. Make your bed, brush your teeth twice a day, eat a certain amount of calories, run so many miles, walk so many steps in a day, but something attainable you know you're going to achieve. And then on the back of the page, you're going to write goals, which might be something that's going to take a week, a month, a year. But what you want to be able to do is you're going to stack these small wins up every single day, which is going to take you forward as a person, help you grow as the individual, because you're going to be building on all these wins. You're not going to sit there hating yourself. You're not going to sit there thinking, oh, why did I not do this? Because you've done it, because you've done the settable, attainable goal, which is going to help improve your life, right? And within this area, what you're going to do is all these wins are going to add up. It might be a 1%, but guess what? In 1% of a year, in 1% per day for the year, it's 365%. That's an astronomical return. If you told me that on an index fund, if you told me that on a stock, I'm putting money into it. So we know that's going to work. We know that something like that is going to help progress you further than you've ever imagined. So why would you not do it? Small wins compound, and you're going to go over that every single time when you go through life. And look, by adding all this into your life, having a better diet, you're going to be spending time cooking potentially. You're going to be working out more. You're going to be reading. You're going to be getting a better time on your sleep schedule. So time might feel a bit heavier, but it's going to be beneficial. And within that time that you have, don't spend it scrolling through social media. Use it towards something much better, much more practical to your life, right? You're going to be wanting it to use towards your goals, ambitions and dreams. Otherwise, that is truly a waste of time. And then everything else you've done, yeah, it's doing better, but you're letting yourself down because you can do better. Because if you're already doing all this, you know you can do it. So don't hold yourself back when you're thinking about these areas. Accept that you can do it, and accept that you know you can do it. So it is so simple. Keep social media app down. Have 10 minutes to yourself a day where you meditate. 20, 30. Something like that will help break down your brain's need to constantly sit there and recycle the same shit you're watching, scrolling. And if you're going to watch something that is going to drill great skills into you, drill great ideas into you. You know, don't be sitting there watching funniest TikTok compilations or the best shows you can watch this week. And within that, right, by taking this time on social media, you're going to pick up some hobbies. This could be learning to day trade, this could be learning to swing, this could be learning to skip, this could be learning to run, swim, play football, tennis, golf, cook, knit, right? These are things that are going to be better for your life. And trust me, when you drop all this bullshit that the world wants you to consume and you start looking inwards instead of outwards, doing things that impact you and not others, you're going to feel a difference. And when I talk about impacting others, I don't mean remove yourself from helping each other, right? Giving to charity is a great way, but don't do it out of getting the needs or the satisfaction. Do it out of pure heart between you and that area. Don't slide yourself into the false belief that you're doing these things because you need to be better for everyone else. You need to be better for yourself. When it comes to that time, you're gonna have kids. You need to be better for them. You need to be better for your parents because they're putting the work for you, and you've got to understand that. So this is a good area where you're going to look to improve yourself your whole life. A hard one which I'm trying to learn, try and understand, which is hard, is networking. Networking with an individual group of people who are doing much better than you in your life. When you don't know where to go, you're not sure. So this is what my intent from the channel is, so that I can meet people, discuss ideas, learn more, and then I can relay that back to people. Because I want that proof of concept, I want to have that real life idea and meet people who are doing better than me, because that's what you want to be around. If you're around bums, you're going to be a bum. If you're around rich people, you're going to be rich. And that is all, at the end of the day, your own choice. If you decide to hang around with friends who are drinking their lives away and there's no dreams or ambition, and it hasn't got to be big, extravagant millionaires. They want a family, their own home, their own house. Having people like that in your life is going to be crucial, and then you're going to want to elevate it. Depends how far you want to go in life. You can be a million and dead, like my man Dave said, or 20 grand in the bank and live a long, long life instead. Hey look, and your boy's in post-production. I'm doing an edit right now. Wait, can we get down and see it? Yeah, I'm editing everything up, but I ain't done an outro, and I don't really know how you do one. So we're just going to wing it, and this is what you're going to get. Thank you so much for watching. It's been me, your boy, your host, The Bailey. I'm grateful if you stayed the whole way. Somehow this has got bigger and the hair's got messier. It's late, had a busy day, spent time with the family. Appreciate it if you took the time of day to watch it, and if you did, let me know in the comments if you got to the end. It'd be really nice to see who and how much you actually watched and what you take from it. Thanks. This is meant to be a hand gesture that ends the video, but